Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to jump-start your Porsche Macan. It's a straightforward process, but safety is paramount. Before you begin, make sure you have a good set of jumper cables and a reliable 12-volt donor vehicle or a portable jump starter. Always ensure both vehicles are completely turned off and positioned so they do not touch. The Macan's main battery is actually in the rear cargo area, but Porsche provides convenient jump points under the hood. On the driver's side, near the windshield washer fluid cap, you'll find the positive terminal, usually marked with a red cap or plus sign. The negative terminal is a metal post on the firewall, also on the driver's side. Now let's connect the cables. First, attach one red clamp to your Macan's positive jump point. Then, connect the other red clamp to the positive terminal of the donor vehicle. Next, attach one black clamp to the donor vehicle's negative terminal. Finally, connect the remaining black clamp to an unpainted metal surface on your Macan, away from the battery, for a good ground connection. With the cables connected, start the donor vehicle and let its engine run for about 2 to 3 minutes. This allows some charge to transfer. Now, try starting your Porsche Macan. Once it starts, let both vehicles run for a few more minutes. To disconnect, carefully remove the cables in the exact reverse order you connected them, ensuring no clamps touch each other or metal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.